Hey guys, I have a really exciting opportunity for you in Houston, Georgia, right across from the Brazelton line. Got a couple clients building in Brazelton down the street, so I wanted to give you a tour of these. There were about 3 different builders in here. Here's one of them. They're gonna have homes from the 3s all the way up to probably the 6s. Something like this will probably be in the 5s. So I think you're gonna be super impressed. There's a lake in the community, tennis courts, I think, a gym, playground. So let's take a look. Huge front porch. You can see enough room for 3 rocking chairs. And let's go in and take a look. Do you see what I see in the distance? I'd say 9 out of every 10 people, if they could afford it, they hit us up. Hey, do you have anything with a 2-story family room? So that's that in the distance. You can see also you get a 2-story foyer when you first come in. Love the wrought iron there. Great hallway. You can see the design. What I love about this builder, I sold a lot of their homes now in Brazelton, but also in Powder Springs back in the day. Dallas, Georgia, they have some over there as well. So I'm now kind of making my way north. This is like right over the Gwinnett line in Jackson County. Really good schools. The on-site agent was telling me they're building a brand new public shopping center. When you pull out to the right of the community, a little downtown area is really cute, an exchange building. So if you want to get in before the prices become 7, 8, 9s, $1 million plus, this will be your opportunity. This builder allows you to go to a design center and pick out what you see. So this is the dining room. They're using it as like a sales center for the on-site agents over here, but you can see the type of fixtures and stuff that you could pick out. Their designer did like all this like wallpaper and stuff like that. That's stuff you do after the fact, but giving you some ideas. Beautiful Revwood floors. When you walk in as well, you have a half bath over here. You'll notice the cultured marble and half in the toilet. It's called a powder room. Coat closet. And here you go. This is truly an amazing view here. You can see all the shiplap up the wall. You can see the big overextended windows. Are you peeping out the covered back porch there, right? Wow. Let's just take it all in. Gorgeous. And you get to pick if you want shiplap, stone, brick, what you want. That's what I really enjoy about this builder. Get to go to a design center, kind of on that Atlanta Smyrna line. Look at this for wallpaper. Give you that brick look. Of course, you would do that after the fact, but a cool concept. Let me give you a view from here. Wow. Kind of see that there'll be a loft upstairs as well. All right, look at how big this area is for the 2 chairs. You know, pieces of furniture on both sides for like, you could do built-ins as well. Plenty of room with a couple couches. All right, kitchen. Wow. Enough for 3 stools here. You can see added storage inside of it. This is quartz material. Love these blue-gray cabinets. Gorgeous backsplash. Get everything you see here. Get in early enough, pick your lot, pick your floor plan, like this floor plan, pick it, go to the design center. GE microwave, oven. Love this brass gold kind of look with this. It's like a nice blue-gray. Refrigerator, vent hood, 5-burner gas cooktop. Of course, they're going to show you in a model home every conceivable upgrade. It's pretty amazing though still, if this is still in the 5s. Probably definitely in the 6s if you do it on a basement. But look at all these cabinets. The farmer sink. What an absolute gorgeous view, right? Then you have a kitchenette area, which almost acts as a sunroom, as you can see. All the windows here. Covered back porch. We have a bedroom down here. I think there's 2 bedrooms down here. I think the primary is down here. What a great guest bedroom. What a great concept too. Look at these mirrors that give it, it really opens up the room. I love that design idea. They definitely got a great designer. Be our guest, that's cute. Look at this, has a full bath. Shower, stand-up shower. Love this. Got the Great Homes ATL gear on. All right, closet. Nice walk-in closet too. All right. I saw a little inlet over here. What was this? This is where you come in through your garage. Very convenient to bring in the groceries. But look at this. An added kind of, I want to call it a butler's pantry. Kind of like a butler's pantry, but you have a sink in here too. Love the Spanish tile. Ooh. I gotta get one of these actually too. Pantry doors. Love this with the frosted glass. All right, what else was over here? This was the cut through to the dining. Look at this. Look at this beautiful butler's pantry. I'm telling you the truth, just walking this, if you want to save $60,000, $70,000, $80,000, I don't think you really need a basement unless you have the money. If you're in the sixes, then for sure, go ahead and do it. But if you want to save some money, it's a big house. I mean, whenever you have 2 bedrooms on the first level, you know it's going to be a big house. Look at this entranceway to your primary suite. I love a good vestibule. And here we go. Ooh. Tray ceilings. Love that chandelier. 4 LED lights. And the door to the back porch. I love it. Coffee in the morning, orange juice, mimosas. Ooh, like a fire pit table. You see these lots. Oh, wow. Look at this bathroom. Double doors heading in. Couples are cheering, I could hear. Separate vanities, big soaking tub. It may even have where you could do the standalone tub. We'll have to see. Look at this shower. I don't think I put a plant in my shower, but for decorating ideas, it looks absolutely lovely. Look at that bench. I've always seen the bench on this side, so I like this too. Tile all the way to the top. Towels and linens. Closet, wow. I think people are gonna be happy with this closet. Now, of course, they're gonna give you the wire racks. If they even give you the option to do the build outs, builder grade closet, do it after the fact. I have a guy for you. You should have 2 people that can build out closets for you. Or you go to Closets by Design, California Closet System, build all the way to the top. If you want to put any kind of island in here, you can. But you can see with the windows, very energy efficient. All right, let's head up. What a great bathroom and bedroom. I mean, look how big this room is. You can even put a couch at the end of here. If you wanted to move that over here, you still have room to put a love seat if you wanted to. What was this? A closet, I think? Oh, no, this is where the hot water heater is. Okay, that's really convenient. So to be able to have all your water shut off, so you don't have to go run into a basement. Or maybe they put it in there in the basement, but that's really convenient, actually, because they also give you the closet to hang up stuff. Can we just take in the views? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And look at this, guys. Loft area with the 2-story foyer. So again, as I was describing, you want to spend 60, 70, 80,000. You got the money, then you want to finish another 70, 80, 100,000 to finish it down the line. Absolutely. If you are a $600,000, $700,000, $800,000, $900,000 buyer, it's a hell of a deal. If you have, you know, that $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 buyer, look at all this space. Area for a desk, area for a couch. I love this idea with the 2 desks. You could put your TV. Of course, you could do like a popcorn machine in that corner. Behind me, I mean, you could put movie theater posters if you wanted to. You could do an area where your pool table, still put your TV here. Look at this view. Wow. Bedrooms. So we saw 2 downstairs. Bedroom number 3. Look at the size of it. It's a big home. This is crazy that you can get this for $500. Walk-in closet. I mean, a sitting area with a queen-size bed, nightstand. This is insane. So happy I came up here to take a look. Bedroom number 4. Look at the size of this one, too. I mean, you could also put like a king or queen size bed here if you want. You still got room. Got a whole bunch of walls, but I like the way they did this. See how wallpaper, a good quality wallpaper, will look in a room? I'm a big interior design person, as you can tell. Walk-in closet. Love, see, just accenting around the white trim with a colored door there. That is sweet. I got a charcoal gray. Full bath. Love those mirrors. The black offsetting it. Very nice. Look at this. Love the accented tile. Almost that leather tile look. Tub shower. Hall towel and linen closet. And look at this. For bedroom number 5, has its own bath. Gorgeous. Obviously, I'm taping this in July of 2023. You know what's big right now in the movie theaters? Barbie, right? This is giving out Barbie vibes. But obviously showing it as kind of a nursery. But it's a huge bedroom. What a great idea. How cute is this? You can see it's a huge room. And you can see the covered porch. See if I can walk out there real quick just to give you a back end view. So guys, you know the process. Go to greathomesatl.com. Hit that begin the process button. That gets you into the Great Homes ATL universe. You'll get sent an email with a list of lenders to go for your pre-approval. Schedule a consultation once we receive. If you already have a pre-approval, just send it over to the directions in the email, to the email address. We'll schedule a consultation, part of the Great Homes ATL family. Our services are completely free. Of course, you could always watch our content on IG, Facebook, Threads, and YouTube. Put all my videos up there. And let's take a look out back. Love this area. It's almost like a sunroom. I have to tell Kurt about this. We might even have to look into something like this. This floor plan is sweet. Covered back porch. Man, look at these backyards. Lovely. That's the other model here. This is a big house. Very, very lovely. All right, guys, greathomesatl.com. Hit that button. Start the process, begin the process, and we will see you on the Zoom soon. Hope you enjoyed. Talk to you soon.